It's an exciting day. 8 years ago, the ECCA school was destroyed. Over three and a half years ago, we started fundraising. We started building this new school. Today, we are excited to announce that the fundraising has reached its goal and we can continue finishing the building. And we're grateful to all the sponsors in the United States, in Canada, in Europe. It's been a great effort of all of you, and as Hope Force International, we want to say a big thank you. And we're grateful for the Lord for your participation. God bless.
Good morning, everyone. I'm with Madame Laguerre. I'm so happy to wish you thank you and for everything you do to help us to rebuild ECCA. So we don't forget, after the earthquake, everything was destroyed. So with you, with God, right now we can have a new ECCA. Thank you for everything you do. Thank you for your support. Continue to pray for us. We continue to work together. God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are all creatures of the sunlight. We're all children of the day. We're just chasing what we can. Oh, we're building a home.